We out here on the jet, baby. Let's go. Michelle, like, how many jets have you been on this week?
Like 3.
Oh my gosh. Me too, me too. We're going to Tennessee with Antonio Brown, and then we're coming back on a jet tomorrow. We're getting lit. Yeah! All right, guys, we just made it to the private jet in the Maybach. Look at this. This is the jet. Hello, how are you?
Hello, sir, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm well. I'm Chris.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, here we are. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, we got 6 seats here and a couple more in the front. Not bad, not bad. How do we get some more natural light up in here, huh? Oh yeah. Whoops. Hello. Hey McKinley. This is like a little like short jet. What up guys? Who wants to sit here real quick? What's up guys? Y'all like the jet? It's cozy in here.
It's cozy.
It's not bad. I gotta go get my luggage, huh?
I already put it. They got it.
Oh no way, thank you.
Yeah.
On my backpack?
Okay.
Sorry. This is like a one person at a time jet. Yo Michael, what if you turn the jet around and put it like this way?
Can I put the back that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Guys, this looks so lit. W Jet, where y'all headed? We're going to Tennessee with Antonio Brown, and then we're coming back on a jet tomorrow. We're getting lit. Yeah! I wish I could do sports. No, I'm kidding. Let's do some videos. Rolex like Magnus Carlsen. Fudge you, brilliant condor. Yeah, guys, this is like this is gonna be the third PJ we're going on in like a week. This is lit, and I don't even gotta pay a dime. What up, ladies?
Hi.
What up, jet connoisseurs? What's it like? You guys like it?
Are they gonna sit there, or how many of them is there?
I'm not sure, but like, yeah, probably they should. Or if anything, where you guys want to sit?
Well, no, wherever.
If anything, maybe you guys sit like here, like me and AB will sit here, and the filmers sit here, and then that way we're all in the shot, you know? Something like that. That'd probably be good. Michelle, like, how many jets have you been on this week?
Like 3.
Oh my gosh. Me too, me too.
Yeah. No.
How many jets have you guys been on this week?
0.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Bubba, how many jets have you been on?
Yeah, Bubba 95. What up, Bubba 95?
Just kidding. It's all love. Apparently I'm fake because I only care about money, that's what he's saying. Who's Bubba? Some hater in the chat.
Facts.
Fuck Bubba.
You should make TikToks. McKinley, take pictures with your Maybach. Michael, you should take Snapchat pics. Come on, Michael David.
You should
Yeah.
pull up the car, hop out, and walk to the jet.
Yeah? That'd be a good clip.
Yeah.
Should I pull up here? Should I just hop out the car? So I gotta pull up and drive?
Yeah.
You think? I drive it? Yeah, hop out the back. This. Hey, yo, McKinley! Yo, someone gotta wave her down.
McKinley!
You should go in on that side and we're gonna like get out of the Maybach and like or should I open the door for her? Oh yeah, have me open the door for me, yeah.
Why about you open the door for me? Okay, that's fine. You don't want to open it for me?
Wait, you want to film it on 1X? We're back. No, you open the door for me.
Alright.
Wait, where's my bag? Ow! Where's my bag? You should hand me the bag. And when you open the door, open it all the way. You know? Open it all the way. Okay? Like, make sure the door opens all the way, you know? Okay. Is that good? Wait, we should do one more, but like when I like walk around.
One more and this time I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, please. You want to follow me like around, kind of? Wait, McKinley, do it again. Do it again.
I'm in it.
What? You are in it. Just walk with me into the jet. I don't know why you stayed here. Do it again. This way. Oh yeah. Oh. Let me, sorry. My bad. Dude, was that a good vid? Let me see. Let's go.
Hey, you come with me, you gon' get money, you gon' get paid. Let's go, check it back. Let's go.
WPJ times AB.
Yo, black Doherty, white Doherty. It's gonna get no beautiful in this, bro.
Hell yeah. We out here on the jet, baby. Let's go.
Yo, it's black Doherty, white Doherty Productions, bro. It's the biggest. Going back to back when we ride.
You ready?
Good, I am.
All right, Michelle, we're doing the one where it's like, we're doing this. Go like, it's this one. Do you want to start it?
Yeah.
All right, ready? We're gonna go like this.
Which way we going?
This way, this way. You get the jet in the background, right? You got the jet. Start on McKinley.
Yeah.
Like, ready?
I'll try to get like all these.
No, go like this. Like that. Just like right there, keep it on her, and then we'll be right there. And keep it there, because we're just gonna walk this way.
Tell me,
You know to walk?
Yeah. All right, ready?
Are you able to hear?
Ready, Michelle?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, go left a little. Just you're out of it. All right.
You right here, you right here.
3, 2,
All right, ready?
1.
That was good. Do it again. Save it. Wait, ready? One more time, because it was too close.
Do you want him next to you here or
Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's fine. WAB.
I did it right now. I looked weird.
That was good.
You ready?
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That was cute. That was funny. That was the best.
When you're walking up, have Antonio just have him do this with the thing. Wait,
Yo, wait, someone should go like right here when we're getting on the jet, like a 0.5, like a 0.5 bit of us going on, like right here, like that. Where is it? Where's Michelle? Michelle? You want to do the thing where you walk on the jet?